Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today is Vlogtober day 6, and in today's video I'm going to be making a vegan chili. So I know that like a lot of people, some people don't like meat, some people do like meat, and I know that I want to try a different type of chili, but I also want to try it without any meat. So I went and got all of the items the other day at Food Lion for this recipe here. If you are new to my channel, I welcome you, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. I hope that you all are enjoying the fall weather. I hope that you all are just enjoying the fall season all in general. So let's just jump right into it. Okay, so I have all of my ingredients here to make the fall vegan chili. Okay, so I have two things that are in the refrigerator that we're gonna need for this vegan chili, so let me pull that out as well. Okay, so now that I have everything here and ready, I'm gonna tell you guys what it is I have, and then I'm just gonna show you guys how to make it really quickly. So I have some organic baby carrots. I also have some vegetable broth. I have black beans, pinto beans, I have a green pepper and a red pepper, I have chili beans, and light red kidney beans, salt, chili powder, cumin, avocado oil, an onion, celery, and some Italian diced tomatoes. So the main four ingredients are the four different types of beans: chili beans, black beans, kidney beans, and the pinto beans. Our veggies are the carrots, celery, onion, red pepper, and green pepper. Our juice is going to be that vegetable broth, and some of our seasonings are here. So the avocado oil was $7.99. This is going to be used to saute the celery, the carrots, and then also I will need some minced garlic. Okay, so I have all of my vegetables cut and ready. I have the green peppers, red peppers, the carrots, celery, and onions. What I'm gonna do now is get ready to saute those in a pan with avocado oil. I'm also gonna go ahead and get out that minced garlic because it is in my refrigerator. Okay, y'all, so I am going to let this sit on the stove on in between like low and medium for roughly about an hour. So I am going in to put in that hour timer. So it should be ready by 11:28. That way it gives me time once it is done to cool off and kind of get it ready for me to prep and take with me either for work tomorrow or to have over the weekend. I'll see you guys in about an hour, and I'm just gonna give it a taste test and let you guys know what I really think of it without having any meat in it. Okay, so this has been on for an hour. My alarm just went off. I'm gonna take the top off just to show you guys. Just to show you guys into my vegan chili. I just am going to give it a stir. I am going to try just a little bit, but I'm definitely going to have to let it cool off in like a little bowl or something just to show you guys. But I'm really excited to give it a try. Alright, so I got some in a bowl that I am going to allow to cool off for like about 3 minutes. And then I'm just going to give it a try. Okay, so I finally have let it cool off. here it is. I am gonna try it, see how it goes. It's not bad. It honestly tastes just like the regular type of chili I would make. It's just that without that powder packet, it's not as spicy, but that's okay because you can always add more. And I can't even tell that there's no meat in it. If you all like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also consider hitting that subscribe button down below and staying tuned for the next video.